Using quadratic equation in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, you can derive a formula by completing the square and arrive on the form of x equals to negative b, positive and negative square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, which is called the quadratic formula. Okay, so let's proceed on finding the roots of quadratic equation by quadratic formula. Okay? So, una muna nating i-consider ay yung formula ng yung tinatawag na quadratic formula. Kung saan x is equals to negative b plus and minus or positive and negative square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So, ngayon, since ganyan yung nakikita nating formula, kailangan muna nating tukuyan kung ano-ano ba yung values ng a, b, at c sa ating quadratic equation. Okay, so, ang value ng a dito ay 2. Ang value ng b sa ating given ay 10. At sa value ng c, ang given natin ay 8. Then, since alam na natin yung mga values na yan, ipapalit na natin siya dun sa ating formula. Okay? So, x is equal to, ano ba yung value ng b? So, negative, 10. So, i-substitute natin dun sa b. So, plus, minus, square root of b ulit. So, yung 10, square natin. Minus 4 times a, which is 2, times 8, kung ano yung c natin. Then, all over 2a. So, 2 times 2. Yan. Then, perform na natin yung mga operations na naka-indicate sa formula. Okay, so, negative 10, positive and negative. Siyempre, isasaalang-alang natin yung tinatawag na GEMDAS para hindi tayo malilito. So, unahin natin yung square. Okay, yung naka-square. So, 10 times 10 ay equals to 100 minus 4 times 2 is equals to 8 times 8 ay equals to 64. Then, all over 2 times 2 ay equals to 4. Okay, so x is equals to negative 10 plus minus square root of 100 minus 64 ay equals to positive 36 all over 4. Next, x is equals to negative 10 plus minus, what is the square root of 36? So, ito ay 6 divided by 4. So, x is equals to negative 10 plus 6 all over 4 at x is equals to negative 10 minus 6 is equals to 4. Okay, so, i-simplify na natin. So, negative 10 plus 6 ay equals to negative 4 divided by 4 ay equals to negative 1. At dito naman, x is equals to negative 10 minus 6 ay equals to negative 16 divided by 4 ay equals to negative 4. So, therefore, ang value ng x natin ay, or ang roots ng ating quadratic equation ay negative 1 at negative 4. Okay? So, using the quadratic formula. Let's have another example. So, x squared plus 12x equals to 24. So, since hindi pa siya nakasulat into general form, para mas mabilis nating matukoy yung values ng a, b, c, kailangan muna natin siyang isulat into general form. So, x squared plus 12x. So, yung 24 ay ililipat natin dun sa left-hand side. So, magiging negative 24. So, x squared plus 12x minus 24 equals to 0. So, dito na tayo magbabase ng values ng A, B, C. Okay, so ang value ng A ay 1, ang value ng B ay 12, at ang value ng C ay negative 24. Okay, so substitute na natin yung mga values na yan dun sa ating quadratic formula. Okay, so negative 12, positive negative square root of 12 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 24 all over 2 times 1. Okay, so x is equals to negative 12 plus positive negative square root of, so 12 times 12 ay equals to 144. Then negative 4 times 1 ay equals to negative 4. Then negative 4 times negative 24 ay equals to positive 96 all over 2. Kasi 2 times 1 ay equals to 2. Excuse me. Next, x is equals to negative 12 positive negative square root of 144 plus 96 ay equals to 240 all over 2. Okay? So, x is equals to negative 12. Then, ano ba yung square root ng square root ng 240? So, ito ay positive and negative for square root of 15. Then, all over 2. Next. So, i-divide natin yung negative 12 at positive negative 4 square root of 15 sa 2. So, ito ay magiging negative 6. Positive at 4 divided by 2 ay equals to 2 square root of 15, and x is equal to negative 6 minus 2 square root of 15. Yan. So, therefore, ito yung roots ng ating quadratic equation. Okay? In solving quadratic equation by quadratic formula, kailangan nating tandaan yung quadratic formula. Okay?